Yeah, good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Now, we had last class, I taught you all the function part of it, no? Yes or no? Last class, what had I done? Functions, no? Yala also silent and all.
Gave that thing, that 2 marks question in board. Write a code to create a function prototype.
Oh, okay. All right. So we are doing that, no? So in the board, so you'll want to practice some more of those. It came so many years for the boards. Okay, so we'll practice some more of that. Okay, over here. So one question like that is sure shot, okay? It will come. Now I have done function overloading also with you all, no?
Yes.
Okay, all right. 2018-17, let's check 2016 paper, okay? 2016 paper. You can see the screen, I hope.
Yes.
Okay, this is a question based on arrays. Int x equals to 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are the values of P and Q? What you all do, give me the answer in the private chat. Okay. Wait, I'll just okay, give me the answer in the private chat. All right, the answer to this question, E. Okay, let's see. Yes, Vansh has given the answer. Okay, Rohit Parikh, all right, correct. Amay, correct. Pratik, Pratik, your first answer is correct. Second answer is wrong. Athar, absolutely correct. Devdipta, correct. Saksham, first answer is wrong, but second answer is correct. Akshat Kumar also, first answer is correct. Second answer is wrong. Aman, correct. Sachidanand Kumar, correct. Govind Sharda, then I think you can see the private chat now, no? Because the screen is shared.
Yes.
Yeah, that is why many answers are coming in now. Okay, after the thing. Okay, Hitankar, correct. Prince Lahoti, correct. Shilajit, okay. I won't see anymore. All right, so the answer is 6 and 37. Now, how it is 6 and 37? See, what is the length? Length means what? Pratik, length means what, say?
So the number of values present in the array.
The number of
Values
So the
present in
number
the
of
array.
characters present.
correct. The number of elements present in the array. So, what is the number of elements present in the array?
6.
6.
Yeah. So the number of elements present in the array is what? Okay, so the number of elements present in the array is 6 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So p equals to x dot length. So value of p will be 6. Now x2, what is in x2? 0, 1, 2. x2 is 7 plus what is in x5? x2 is 7. What is in x5? Yeah? x5 is 10 into x1 is what? 40. Right? x5 is what?
X5 is 10.
Correct. x5 is 10. Okay, x5 is 10 into x1 is what? 3. So 10 into 3, 30 plus value of x2 is 7. So 30 plus 7 makes what? 37. Okay.
So what is the answer?
So 37. So the first answer is 6, second answer is 37. 6 and 37. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you do number D of question number 1?
One question number D. Name the type of error: syntax, runtime, or logical. Yes. So the type of error over here, now see math.sqrt 36 minus 45. Right? Okay.
So what is runtime and logical error?
What is runtime and logical? Okay, I'll tell you what are the different types of errors. Okay, now once and for all I'll explain this. Please don't tell me to explain this again and again, okay? Because and logical error. So the errors in this thing are of three types. What are the three types of errors?
How to use, no?
Sorry?
Sir, I think that you are still confused now how to use the whiteboard.
Yeah. So you are giving any tuition or none?
No, sir.
Okay, if you are giving any tuition on how to use, let me know. Okay, I'll join the tuition. For how to use the whiteboard.
कौन नहीं फोन नहीं
ठीक, एक सेकंड बात कर
नहीं बात हमसे कर
एक कैप है स्कूल का ऊपर में, एक स्कूल का मफलर भी है। खरीदना कुछ मत है, मफलर सफलर टोपी क्या करोगे अब? देख लेना चाहिए, वो कॉटन बोला था, ठीक है देख लेना। अच्छा स्वेटर भी है स्कूल का, एक हाफ दो फुल वाला आपका छोटा जो हो गया वनिका को दे दिया, बड़ा वाला है दीदी का,
देखना पड़ेगा।
बड़ा है,
देखना
पापा को आ जाएगा
पड़ेगा।
तो देखना क्या पड़ेगा।
गर्ल्स वाला नहीं चलेगा ना गर्ल्स में।
मारू
मैं देख के बताऊंगा।
Say for example, the different types of errors are, the first one is syntax error, okay? The first one is called syntax error. Right? Okay, syntax error are also called compile time error. Now when does this error take place? Compile time error. Now when does this error happen? Okay, when you go to compile the program, errors generated while compiling the program. Errors generated while compiling the program, they are called what? Syntax error or compile time error. The next one is runtime error. Now what is runtime error? That means when you compile the program, there is no error, right? But when you go to run the program, that time there is an error. So error while running the program. Okay, that is what? Runtime error. And the next is what? Logical error. Now, what is this logical error? There is no error in the program. No error in the program. Then, sir, how is it a logical error? Then, what is the error? It is the error that is made by programmers. Say, for example, I want to add two numbers. So, what will I write? S equals to A plus B. I want to add two numbers. So, what will I write?
A plus B.
S equals to A plus B. Right? But, so S equals to A plus B. But what by mistake I write multiplication. Now, when you compile, will the computer give you an error? Because does the computer know what you are wanting to do? What is your program about? No. So the computer will not give an error. The computer will compile properly. There will be no runtime error also. But what kind of error is this? It will be termed as a logical error. Error that occurs. Why? Because what the program has asked, you have not done that.
That means we won't get the output we want.
Correct. The output that you want, you will not get that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So in a program, suppose in a program there are infinite loops created, then will it be a runtime error?
Will there be? Runtime error. Say for example now, suppose you are writing math.sqrt of minus 25. Now can you find square root of this thing?
No, sir. So it will give nan or something.
Correct. Okay, have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is runtime error, what is logical error? Now, if you come to this part of the question over here, what is the type of error over here? Math.sqrt 36 minus 45. What is the error? Why runtime error? Why runtime error?
So we cannot find the root of a negative number.
Correct.
An unreal number.
Correct. We cannot find the root of a.
Unreal number.
Yeah. Okay, but before that, there will be another error. What is that? See, after math.sqrt 36 minus 1, is there any semicolon?
No, sir. Syntax error.
No. So it could also mean what?
It's a syntax error.
Syntax error. Did you understand?
So in the exam, will we write both the errors?
So what will happen even in the exam if you write syntax error, that is also correct. Okay, if you write okay, that will also be correct.
But now syntax semicolon is missing.
Yeah, syntax error. Why? Because semicolon is missing. Okay. Is it clear? Have you understood then?
Yes,
And
sir.
the second one, what will the error be of the second one?
Syntax error.
The second one is syntax error because there is semicolon instead of that, right? So that is one. Okay.
So what if after for loop there is semicolon?
After for loop, a semicolon means will there be a syntax error? Where is clear?
No, sir.
Shovik, is there any option called clear canvas over here? No.
No, sir. To do with mouse only.
Then, so the thing was better. I mean, the earlier one was better, no?
Yes, sir.
Then, so there was directly clear canvas. I don't know, the Microsoft, the new team who has designed all this, they were all useless. They could have taken you, Shovik, you would have done a better job.
They have designed it.
Hey, in my laptop, there is still the
Then
older
the share
one.
market should have fallen.
What are you saying in the laptop?
So
In my
the share
laptop.
market would have fallen.
Okay, now let's say, what are you saying, Shovik, regarding what? Or someone just now asked me what?
In my laptop, there is still the older whiteboard, the older one.
Whose laptop?
In my other laptop, in which Windows 11 is installed.
Yeah, so I'll have to.
This new Microsoft team is more into designing the features, but forgetting about.
Acha, okay, now what are we doing over here now? Are just now what did you all tell me to show? Oh, if there is in a for loop, if there is a semicolon after that. So for I equals to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. So if there is a semicolon after that, then what does this become? It becomes a null loop.